Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to connect to VPN on any Android phone without installing a third-party app. Now to do that, just open settings and in the search bar, just search VPN. Then tap on VPN. Go to VPN. Now just tap on the three dots and select Add VPN Profile. Now in the name section, you can enter any name. You can even enter your own name, just like that. Now to get the server address, just go to your home screen and open the Chrome app. And in the search bar, just search VPN Gate. Then open this website. Now from here, just select the VPN with the least ping. Now as you can see, this one has the least ping. Now just copy the server address name. Select copy and go back to the settings app. Now just paste the copied server address right here. Now in the IPsec identifier section, just type VPN. Now to get the username and the password, just go back to the website. And in the top of the website, you can find the username and the password. And as you can see, the username and the password is VPN with small letters. Now just enter the username and the password as it is written in the website. Just like that. Then tap on save. And this is how you can connect VPN on any Android phone without installing a third-party app. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.